Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to change Facebook memory settings. So to start, open the Facebook app, then tap menu in the bottom right corner. Now in here, look for memories and tap on that. Then tap settings in the top right corner. Then in here, you can scroll down to notifications, then choose your preferred memories notification option. So you have all memories. So this means you will receive notifications for all of your memories. You have highlights. So this means you can receive notifications only for special memories. Then you have none. So if you set this to none, that means your memory is turned off. So you cannot receive memory notifications. Now, if you want to hide certain memories, you can tap hide people and select people you don't want included in memories. You can also tap hide memory suggestions. So at the top, so to hide certain memories, you can click people. So here you can hide people and select people you don't want included in memories. Next, you also have dates. So you can add a specific date range you want Facebook to exclude. Then you have keywords. You can also turn off memory suggestions by toggling this off. Now, if you can find memory settings, you can update the Facebook app to the latest version. You can also try to log out and log back in. You can clear the app cache. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.